and welcome. It's Gillykube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland doing a pour on this lovely timber round. It's a pine timber round, so I'm really hoping that this turns out beautifully and that I can, when it's finished, put a really nice resin coat on it and make a little side table out of it for my son. So what I've done, first of all, I'd like to do this piece with a kind of a navy background. So I've made my own navy out of the phthalo, a cool blue, but it's also similar to phthalo blue. And then I put a blob of black and some dark green, just a blob, and it creates this lovely navy colour. But what I want to do to give my navy the sparkle is add some dragonfly glaze. I got this from the Capriole Shabby Chic online, sent me this dragonfly glaze, and it doesn't matter what colour I add to my paint of the dragonfly glaze, it always gives this lovely sparkling effect. And then even if you add a bit of your dragonfly glaze to your resin, it leaves a really sparkling effect in your resin. So hopefully I will show you this piece resined further down the track, but for now I'll just concentrate on doing the actual pour. So with that dragonfly glaze, I've just basically put a squirt in there, and then I'll mix it, just really mix it all up in my paint. And I'm not sure if you can see, it's difficult, maybe when I come down close, really got a lovely sparkle in the paint. So if you wanting a bit of sparkle, and it does, when the light hits it as well, it's really reflective and sparkly. So for sparkle lovers, perfect. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to try some, we'll do the base coat in this first and get this covered. So, oh, that was a blob. I hope that wasn't a blob of my dragonfly glaze. I hope it was just a skin. Yeah, it was just a bit of skin. Anyway, nothing is a problem. Just go with the flow, as they say, and work with it. So I'm just spreading this around this piece of lovely timber round. So I find these timber rounds at my hardware store, Bunnings. It's a homeware store in Australia, or if you're in Australia, you'll know exactly what I mean. And they're $19. Well, I would pay more than $19 for a big round canvas of this size. And of course, being pine, it's so much versatile to make into a table, or you still can make it into a wall art for sure, or even a clock. So there you go, so many options. Put nice coating. I have done the very edges with masking tape because I want to leave the edges of this particular piece with the raw pine. So I've just run the masking tape around the edge of those. You can, by all means, coat your timber first. I have done that, and it maybe is a good idea to coat the timber first. But sometimes when I've coated the timber and then painted over, for whatever reason, my piece has cracked. So I'm not sure why that is. Anyway, so I'm just trying it this way this time. So just putting a nice good coat of that navy there. So I'm going to pour like a nice chunk of that on there, because I'm going to put my colours. Now the colours I'm using are these PRIZM Art Ultra Metallics. So they're from Colour Art, and I got these from Capriole Shabby Chic here in Australia. So these, I'm told that I can just use as they are, straight from the bottle. So I'm going to just use as they are, straight from the bottle. So this is the what is this colour? Lemon sherbet. And of course I'm going to put in some black raspberry. I've just given them a shake, so. And then I'm going to add some of my white with, this one is just the Amsterdam white with Floetrol. So I'm going to put some of that in there. What colour would else would go in there? Okay, this one is pink carnation. I'm going to just put a whole lot in there. I mean, all the nice yummy colours, I guess. And I will add, I'll go back to that. Where am I? I'll go and add some more raspberry because I love raspberry. And then I'm going to put on some of the French silk. So this is a, looks like it's a sparkly stuff too. And then I'm going to add some of my, this is some Amsterdam paint again, just with Aussie Floetrol. So this is helping me to bring up the cells in it. I think that's probably it, isn't it? Or should I just add the orange crush for good luck? There you go. Orange crush for good luck. Now I really hope this works. I'm going to try my lovely spatula that was also from Colour Art and put some of my cell activator, which is the Amsterdam black, on the brush, on the spatula, and I'm going to, let's see how this goes. Oh, yummy, yummy, look at that. Actually, I need my spinner, don't I? Wow, look at that. That's come up beautifully, so let's try and put some more through there. Wow. I'm not sure if you can see this. I probably need to bring you down for it. I will bring you down. Wow, just look at this. So that was straight from the bottle, just with the black cell activator on the top. But look at those gorgeous gems in there. Wowzers. Pretty cool effect. Look at that. Can't really see until you come. You can't see through the camera, doesn't give me the detail. But they just look absolutely beautiful. And look at the shimmer in it. Can you see the sparkle in that blue now from the dragonfly glaze? So this was just my global colours with the PRIZM pour plate. So I think I'm gonna get my spinner and give this a spin. Okay, I decided against my spinner. I think what I would like to do is just tilt it. But I'm going to run my skewer through it to give it some interest, some further interest. So I'm going to do some squiggly bits. And I'm really hoping that I can get some movement out of this. Maybe if I just add a little bit more paint to, hopefully it'll slide around a little bit easier with a bit more paint. So we will give this a go. I've took my one glove off because I couldn't get my camera going without finger, but that's all good. Okay, wiping my tools as I go, because if you let your paint dry on your tools, it's not a really good thing. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to see if I can tilt this baby. The colours are just jumping off the canvas just beautifully. They're really lovely. Oh, I'm going to lose those. Oh well, hopefully I'll lose some to gain some beauty. just tilt it, kind of reminding me very much of a dragony kind of look to it. Maybe I might have got better effects by spinning it on the spinner, I'm not sure. If I'm not too happy with these effects, then I'll just scrape the paint off and try again. It's better to have something that you're completely happy with. Thinking that I might actually put some more of the cell activator and go back through those colours, and when I've actually tilted it would probably be better when I get it to where I want it, I guess. But those colours are really lovely and vibrant, so give them a try. Give them a try. Okay, love the colours, love the vibrancy, love the amount of negative space. I'm just going to give it a go back through those colours with the cell activator on again and see if I can get some of those lovely gems and then not have to move them anywhere. So we'll try it. Just got to try it. Rightio, let's go for this. Go for gold. Go for gold. Well, they're coming up there again, so just a little movement in there. I'll just get my heat wand, and give it a little bit of heat. Might bring up some nice effects. Wow, that is quite lovely. I think that is going to make a perfect tabletop. I'm not going to do any more swiping through. As you can see, those cells are popping up in the area there again, but just those lovely vibrant colours from the PRIZM pour paints really just make that piece pop. So you can actually, you know that when you put resin or any gloss on top of that, it actually lifts all the colours out. I think that's a really interesting piece. So I hope you like this, guys, and it give you a little bit more food for thought. So enjoy your art. Just enjoy. It's art therapy. If you're feeling sad, lonely, or in need of a chat, please ring a friend or a family member, or there's always a helpline. So onwards and upwards until tomorrow, my lovelies. Please take care. Bye for now.